So this is something that I set up on my rack where I take a nice heavy band, something that's strong. I'm not really sure how many pounds of resistance this is, but it's a pretty thick band, light green or whatever color this is. I tie it up on top, and then I'm gonna stick my shoulder through like so, right? And then I'm gonna take my arm, put it behind my back, and I'm gonna position myself forward so that it's pulling that shoulder back, getting a really deep stretch in there. And it hurts, but